Elizabeth Ruffing from ruffings.com. In addition to drawing and painting, we also make art dolls and toys, and these are a couple of them behind me. Lila Love Bunny on this side and Chelsea the Maine Coon cat on that side. Ours are mostly anthropomorphic dolls. We also have a small vintage doll collection, and Toni dolls are one of our favorites. And behind me is a P-91 Toni on that side and a P-90 Toni doll on that side. And I've been making clothing and working on some patterns for vintage dolls that we have. And in the course of looking online at various dolls, and like people who like dolls always think, well, what other dolls will fit the clothes I have for these dolls that I like? And I came across Ruby Red Fashion Friends, and I, up until just now, have not really had a doll from this century. I don't think I have one up until now. And my mom and I picked out Sara from the Ruby Red Fashion Friends. I had been admiring them for some time. Some of the facial sculpts were done by the late Dianna Effner, a doll artist we really like. And I found out recently that when Dianna Effner was a kid, she had a Toni doll. And what we liked about them were just the very sweet and innocent and sensitive faces that they had. And it kind of reminded me of the Toni dolls because we both played with them. I had my mom's, and she had been given hers as a kid when they came out. And they just have such sensitive little faces that they feel like friends. And when you look at them, you almost feel like they're kind of looking back at you with kind of like they have a little soul, you know, a little dolly soul. So I have not yet opened up Sara, which is the Ruby Red Fashion Friend that I have, and I'm going to see what I think. I've only seen her online. I've never seen her in person. So I'm kind of excited. I see her box. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, what a sweet little face. Oh, she's in plastic to keep her safe. Put her that way so you can see. Okay, I'm going to take her out of the bag. Careful. Pull her out of this bag. Side. Let's see. Oh, wow, she's very sweet. That's her box. Now, if I were little, I would be making this into a bed with a little pillow and a little mattress and a blanket. It's just the right size. I bet that insert comes out too. Let's see. Okay, she's got a little bit of a tape. Let's see. Okay. This is nice. There's a handle on the end so you can get her out easily. Okay, I'm going to put that in the cardboard box. Let's see. Wouldn't that make a nice little bed? I think that would make a nice little bed. I definitely would be making a bed out of that. All right, let's see. I'm not quite sure how she detaches. Let's see. I see some little... Okay, let me... So be careful. Just be careful not to cut her hair. Yeah, almost got myself. Okay, what do we have here? Let's see. Okay, this is a little... I did cut myself. Alright, have to be careful. Oh, she got a little... she's got some nice weight to her, too. Her hair is very pretty, but her little face is just so sweet. Just so... here. Look at that face. And I'm very interested in what size she is, because I think the clothes I have for the... oh, she's nicely articulated. Bends very nicely. And her little head moves around. That's really sweet. Her clothing is made very nicely. And her little shirt says, "Let your light shine." Okay, I have her little plastic wrappers off. I'm just playing with her hair. It's just pretty hair. It's nice and soft. I should get my hair out of the way so I don't make noises with my mic. She's very pretty. I love her little sneakers. They have little flowers on them. I feel like fabric. Are they high tops? Or a little bit of a high top? Oh, that's cute. The denim is really nice. It feels very soft and nice. So the jeans are more of a distressed denim, and then the jacket is bluer. Oh my goodness, it has little pockets that you can fit your finger in. That's amazing. It's all finished on the inside. I have a little bit of, I guess, lace at her shoulders. Okay, she still has some paper inside around her neck. Look at how cute she is. Look at that. Now that does look like a little friend, doesn't it? That's so cute. So I'm looking at which Toni doll could she share clothes with. Now she could potentially wear the same size as the P-91 or possibly the P-90. I'm going to guess the P-91. She looks a little bit closer in size to the P-91. So I'm guessing she is somewhere between 14.5 or maybe even 15 inches. You know, I have to try. I have to see whose clothes fit who. Anyway, she's very sweet. Well, I put the P-91 dress on her, and it looks really cute. And she made friends with Lila Live Bunny already. So I think she's a very nice addition. And she's just very, very sweet. I'm quite pleased. I love the shoes. And they lace. They have real laces. They're so cute. And the clothing, it's really well made. I sew, so I appreciate all the little facings inside the jeans and the pockets, and just really nicely made. I mean, look at the jeans. I mean, they've got a facing in it just like real jeans, and a little button on the outside, Velcro here, and then the inside, everything is finished. The seams are all finished. Little cuffs. Very, very cute. A little jacket. I mean, the pockets, and they've got a little bit of a pleat here, just like a real jeans jacket. And I guess you can, oh, they're tacked up. Are they tacked up? No. Oh, you can unroll the sleeves if you want to. Clothes are really nicely made. And the collar is shaped nicely. It's not sticking up like sometimes you see collars look like they're not made right, but it's made right. I mean, I don't know, they did a good job. They know what they're doing with clothes. Look at that. Look at that. It's just like a real little jeans jacket. It'll got the gold stitching on top. Little bar tacks here. with the pocket that you can actually put something in the pocket if you want to. It's very nice. Let's see the t-shirt. Yeah, everything's just finished inside. Very nice. Very nice. I saw today that they have a new one out, a limited edition with the other Dianna Effner sculpt. I think her name is Juniper. I have a cat named Juniper Berry, so I thought she was really cute too. But the limited edition ones are quite expensive. We got very lucky to find this one on a very, very good sale, and my mom and I picked her out together. I still have to show my mom. So I think she'll like her a lot. Anyway, she's just really nice. And she's got a lot of movement from the articulation in her knees and her elbows, shoulders, and of course her hips. And she's strung just like a Toni doll. That means you can pose her in all different kinds of ways if you do doll photography. I'll definitely be making some clothes for her, along with my other dolls. I'll see if I can get some patterns together. The hair's pretty. It's nice and soft. And she has little inset eyelashes. And the plastic it's nice, feels durable. Yeah. Definitely a dress-up doll.